LNEYA Thermo Refrigeration Company Limited was established in 2010. We have been focusing on the low temperature control field for 15 years. LNEYA currently has more than 400 R employees, among with R&D technicians account for 20%. The existing factory area is 25,000 square meters with an annual output of 5,000 units. The output value has exceeded 300 million yuan for 2 consecutive, is constantly exploring high and low temperature, ultra-low temperature, and precise temperature control applications. We have developed 11 product categories, including direct cooling, liquid cooling, and gas cooling, to provide customers with professional, stable, and efficient temperature control solutions. Our products are exported to more than 30 countries and regions around the world. As a high-tech enterprise, we've been recognized as a Gazelle enterprise and a specialized, innovative, and small and medium enterprise. We currently hold nearly 130 patents. LNEYA adheres to technological innovation as the core competitiveness. We adopt Siemens PLM as the design platform for seamless connection of product data in the whole life cycle. A big data management platform covering product design, material procurement, production process, and order sales has been established. In addition, we have a basic research team led by engineers specializing in simulation, heat transfer, and vibration, providing strong technical support to ensure that product quality remains the lifeline of the enterprise. LNEYA has always adhered to the concept that product quality is the life of the enterprise, and the policy of total quality management to continuously enhance the market competitiveness of products. We are equipped with a laser cutting machine and a fully automatic tube bending machine, combined with customized laser welding, high-frequency welding, and circumferential welding. The standardized assembly process control is realized. Our corn penny is a gift with a professional after-sales service team, available 24 hours a day to provide maintenance throughout.